and appropriate them.
We are?
Yes, we are.
Did I get it wrong? I'm waiting at the water tower.
I'm up here. I don't see the hardware, but I do see a hell of a lot of bikers. Up here!
We gotta wait till you can slip in there unnoticed. Should give you the time to plan a route to the gas tank you're rigging up to blow.
Really? You get a better view from the top.
Enough waiting. This is your moment, Ronald. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Got it.
Now, relax. The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Over by the road. Trevor? You see me?
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Well, get a move on.
I'm moving! Hey!
Saw a guy by the tower. I shot him. Now keep moving. Come on! Keep it moving.
You hear that? I can hear an engine. Don't see that body.
You can relax because lights are out already.
Now, don't smoke the guy in the van until he stops and gets out. Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out of the van now. Do him.
If the man wants to pay his respects, I ain't one to cut that short.
Don't. You should have seen the look on his face. Wait. A guy came out of the control tower. Get him quick. He's gonna see us.
Woo! Down he goes.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. Clean shot, Trev. Another guy's coming out of the tower. Must be looking for the one you shot.
And they all came tumbling down.
Can you get your sights back on me? Come on, man. Please just cover me.
You're in my crosshairs again. And there's no one left to kill, so get over to that gas tank and plant the bomb.
I can't. There's someone coming out of that building. I can hear him at that far door. Shit! He's coming out the far door. There's a second guy coming out of the building. Good kill, Trevor. I'm fixing it. Don't let him sneak up on me, okay? And whatever you do, don't hit the tank. Please, man. Someone's coming. He's gonna get me before I finish. A bolt from the blue. Can you hear that? Chopper, incoming.
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking drive. You're bikers.
It's looking for us, T. We ain't gonna get them guns when they got tactical superiority.
If I hit the chopper and...
The pilot plant didn't work, but they know they're being attacked.
of us. Now start that plane. I'm afraid I gotta confiscate this weaponry.
What the?
Suck that guy.
Get in the plane, Trevor! Come on, man! Get in the plane! We're good to go, man! Come on!
Plane's loaded up with crates, Trevor! Just like you said!
Rest of the guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway. Come on, let's go, let's go! Get me to that plane! The deal is coming for us again. Get me to my plane, Rod! I guess it's time to use those explosives.
Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some.
Everybody, here! Come on, let's go, let's go!
There's a guy to the right.
Let's go, Ronald!
Let's get out of here!
Vamos! Go!
Look out, we're coming from the left.
Get me to that plane! Get me to my plane, Ron! Yeah! Get one for you, permit truck!
Watch out for the bikers, they're all over you.
I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
He ain't letting go, is he? That guy is clinging on. Oh, there he goes.
Fine, I feel safe.
So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or our other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brethren.
I assume you got all kinds of connections in Canada.
Why would you make an assumption like that?
It's obvious.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cargo over the border?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure I was.
There's a flare in the water. I'm guessing it's there.
That's him. Let's do it.
Military base coming up. Fly low. We don't want to show on their radar.
Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow. Military base coming up. Fly low. We don't want to show on their radar. Keep low, over the swamp, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico. Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T. See, Trevor, you won. You're the better man, as if there was any doubt.
I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
We don't have time to dwell on that now, because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries! Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable!
Oh, that's right. Now go. I need to meditate. Or masturbate. Or both.